Good morning, everyone. This is Wayne Mary. I am the founder of the Warranty Tracking app. And the app is designed specifically for the consumers who have bought a vehicle or appliance that have a warranty. The second party involved is the auto dealerships. And the auto dealerships are going to now have a tool that they can use to sell more cars, sell extended warranties, make the ease of servicing done for the consumer all through one app. Let's get started. Let me do a run through. Let's get over to the app. All right, as I showed at the beginning, everything is private branded for that particular roof or dealership. The app will open, and the first thing that every time someone opens the app, there will be an ad from the dealership to offer something they may want to push. Could be windshield wipers, could be tires, whatever they want to do, they give us that and we put it in there, plus they can also track it. So let's close the ad. Okay, main auto maintenance program. A lot of people ask for this. The consumer likes it because they can go in and they can see that they can expect the suggested maintenance procedures at certain intervals. Yes, I know your car's going to tell you need an oil change. This is more of a total picture. What do I expect my first year, second year, third year? So that's what this is for. It just gives them an overview of scheduling. Now, everything I've put in here that's in green is hyperlinked. And the customers really like it because it's fast. It gets them to where they want to do. They don't have to do Google searches, get lost on their phones, and so on. So right here, I just added how they can go in and actually book an appointment for any services that they feel or are scheduled. Heading back, you'll see here's a file. So the consumer can also put in their last work. This is an example. Okay. That's the auto maintenance and my schedule. Coupon alerting is in here. It could be a coupon for an automobile. It gives you an expiration date in there. This is just an entire example of what the customer can put in for a coupon. And the app counts down and says, hey, you have 60 days, 30 days, 10 days, 5 days. You get the idea. So it also holds coupons. Going back. Insurance. Now, this is handy because hopefully you haven't been stopped by the police department or the officers and they want to see your insurance card. And, well, maybe you lost it, don't have it in the other vehicle, whatever. You can have it in here. There's mine for Geico. And unfortunately, it did come in handy when I had a very bad accident. What I also found during that accident that you need the toll-free number to go in and call them. And you also need to file a claim. So that's available in here as well. All right. That's your personal insurance. Now, my parts tracker. We've put this in here because what is going on right now with supply chain, everyone is very concerned if they have to wait for a part. And this allows them to check the status. This is an online portal that they go in. This is for the test model that we used. They put their name in here, they put their information in here, they hit search and it gives them the current status of where their part and repair is. Also, when this comes up that the part is available, it allows them to schedule online automatically with their advisor, who also got a copy that the part is in. So it kind of expedites and handholds the process at the dealership as well as the consumer. Okay, heading back. Roadside assistance. Well, we talked about that. Contact information. Once again, they're going to want your VIN. You could be late at night. You don't want to get outside your vehicle, try and find the VIN through the windshield or on the side of the door. You basically just need your VIN for them to know exactly who you are, and what you're driving. All right. Now, more and more dealers are offering concierge service, especially the high-end lines. So this was a requirement from a dealership that they wanted to have added, and we added it within 48 hours to the app. All right, so if they're getting concierge service, they're likely using a valet company. In here, all they have to do is hit dashboard for RedCap. It takes them to the RedCap sign-in. They sign in and they can check on the current status within the dealership service department. Quick, fast. All right, now the service is done. They've been contacted automatically and they want to basically go ahead. They have to sign their invoice here. This is back end is hooked up to the auto dealership payment process. Once they've signed the document, it'll then prompt them to make the payment. Once again, into the dealer's back end. Okay, my dealer bucks. Well, this is a little thing I thought of because I actually worked in the lanes. And the dealer bucks are a loyalty incentive program that each particular dealership can have for that customer that will likely bring them back in because they have a $10 coupon off of this. And I just put this example up. It'll likely be a QR code. All right, so the dealer bucks brings back the customer. As you know, in the bigger markets, there's 4 or 5 Ford dealers that they can deal with in service. So if you give them an incentive or the dealership gives the incentive, they have something to have them bounce back. All right. We have my Unlock and Lock app. This is a link to, for example, Ford Pass. If you go in, hit the hypergreen, takes you to Ford Pass. That Ford Pass allows you to lock or unlock your car. It also has a GPS system on there as well. So a lot of the manufacturers have gone to this type of application. Recalls. Well, we all know about those, and there's many of them. So this will allow the customer to go in and put in and file the recalls that they have done. My warranty alerting, this is how it all started. And this is where they can put in their information. And this is put in by the salesperson or the F&I manager. It's a great closer. You're there talking to the customer. They've just signed the deal. They're ready to go into the finance office. The salesman helps them out in regards to just putting in, 4 or 5 entries into this app. And now the customer will be tracked, and it will allow them to update their mileage, which I'm going to show you in a second. All right. Warranty, start date, end date, VIN, mileage limit, current mileage, radio code. I really have worked hard on this, and everything you need's in there. Or if it isn't, I can add it. I can put more documents in. But as they go in here, and let's say they're going to get, every 90 days, we send out an email to them. And in the email, we say, hey, don't forget to update your mileage for your vehicle within the app. We have a green hyperlink that takes them right to the page so they can update their mileage. Now, and this is how they're going to do it. I'm going to come up here to the edit pencil. And come down. Current mileage. Oh, I'll put 1 mile in. Okay, I've updated my mileage. You can add service at that particular time as well. Now, when I'm going to hit save, you're going to see a text that comes up that says, do you want to share? And what that's doing is it's giving you the opportunity to share this information with either the advisor or family member or yourself if you're at a different location. Let's do that. Save. Okay. Share. Do you want to share? Yeah, I do. I'm going to share it with Jamie. Now, once I hit send, you're going to see at the bottom text that comes up. It says successfully shared. Not only is it successfully shared with the person that you've checked off in the address boxes, it also then sends you an email so you have a good hard copy of this. Let's hit it. Answer shared successfully. All right. Secret Pocket. Secret Pocket was something that I added because I thought it would be kind of helpful to people in regards to, let's say, where's my spare set of keys? Let's go in there. It's your call. In this situation, I had a very bad car accident, and I was unconscious for 3 days. And they needed my spare keys to get into the vehicle to get my phone and other personal belongings. So I put in here that my spare key set is in my top dresser drawer under my briefs. People also have been putting in helpful information. Here's my spaghetti sauce ingredient. It tells you where to buy it, and it also tells you about the fact that I was adopted. There's the secret sauce. And there's my birth mom. So Secret Pocket, it kind of brings a smile to the face, and it can also be very helpful. Let's say you're looking for a title. Let's say someone's looking for a title for you. It allows you to basically go in there and have that information, which remains private. So just recapping, this is what the app can do. It's for the consumer. It's given to the consumer free. There's a monthly fee, subscription fee to the dealership, which will generate leads. It will generate sales. It can generate extended warranties. It can extend also the maintenance programs that they want to sell. It's very fast, quick, and easy, and it's all in one location. Their hand, our app. Thanks.